Okay, hey guys, today we've got an Olympia SM5 model number 1136629. This typewriter is in pretty good shape. It's got some quirks that I want to point out before, putting this up on Etsy, but it's pretty nice overall. I mean, it is, so I got it in, it was very dirty. I did my best to clean it up. I blow it out with an air compressor, clean it off as best as possible, but there is still dirt and grime. So don't get this thinking it's gonna be 100%. Think this as I'm gonna get a Q-tip and have fun with it for an hour and clean all the little bitty things. So Q-tips and some elbow grease does pretty good wonders for this, but just wanted to give you an update. But the functionality of the typewriter itself is in good condition. So just wanted to give you that knowledge before you go and buy it. I'm gonna go through a couple of the functions of this and see if there's any issues along the way. I don't fully remember this one, but yeah. Overall, Olympia is one of those typewriters that people love. I'm pretty sure this exact model is the one that Woody Allen writes all of his movies on. Fun fact, his is missing the top though, so he literally types and there's no top on it, which is funny. He's written every play on something like this. So that, I think, is one of the reasons why I wanted it in the first place. But I have too many typewriters, so this one has to go away. So anyways, let's go through it. So you've got your shift here, shift lock here, shift over here, backspace. Your tabulator works very easily. These are my favorite type of tabulators because it's a no-fail system. There's these little bitty, I guess, tabs back here that you can push in, move around, and then those are your tabs. You don't have to do anything else, don't have to think about anything else. I prefer these. These are cool. So why don't they just make them all simple like that? They try to get fancy and be above the rest and do all these fancy stuff, but this one is like awesome. So tabs do work wherever I just put them. And here's your carriage lock. So whenever you're putting it in the case, which it does come with a really nice case. I don't know if you can see it. Whatever, it's a little bit in the way. Decent case. There is the person's name written on it a few different places. She really wanted people to know. Her name is Diane Farmer. Diane Farmer up here too. Some grime in there. I thought I'd clean this out, but it's a little dirty. Got some mold, old school. These cases are no old. It's also got, yeah. Her name's also written on the very bottom of the typewriter. She really didn't want anyone, Diane Farmer. She was proud of this thing. She said, "Nobody take my typewriter." So anyways, the carriage lock is right here. Whenever you go over to the middle, it'll, well, I didn't set it. Push it right there, go over to the middle, and then it locks in place. Then I think these don't function either during that process. So this is the spot you do when you're putting in the case. If you want to take it out, pop that down, then you're good to go again. And everything tights. Anyways, sorry to hit the carriage without anything in there, or the platen. So we've got on this side the line spacing right here, 1, 2, and 3, I believe. And I don't know what this one is. And the very back here is to make it to where it moves freely. I'm not sure about all the wording, sorry guys. I just have a general idea. Bunny ears work fine. Bunny ear, I guess, since it's just one. It's very smooth. You've got your carriage release on this side. There's only one on one side, that side. There's not one over here, which is kind of interesting. You've got your paper adjustment where you want to put your paper, and then you've got your, your margins over here. You squeeze them, move them around. Same on this side. You've got your paper bail holder. It lifts this up, makes it where you can move the paper if it gets in there crooked. And I think that's it. Like I said on the back, you've got those little guys for your tabs. I guess also, I bet you if you push that in or pull it out, I don't know what that is. Oh, if you push it in really, what is that? I wonder if that, I'm not sure. Well, it does make it move smoothly, but it's a pretty intense pushing action to do so, so it's kind of different. Don't see that too often. Seems to be fine though. Also on the inside, you've got your touch sensitivity right here, plus, minus, for how hard you want it. And this is just you stick this in these little grooves here, which this one's not in, and it will determine how tight it is, and hopefully it ribbon reversals whenever it gets to the end of a thing. Should. Sometimes they don't work perfectly, but if you ever type and it doesn't look good, you realize, oh, this, but to manually do it, you just push this little thing. I don't know if you can see that. Same on this side. Yeah, that's how that works. Yeah, okay, let's do a type test. I don't know if I said the settings over here, but black, stencil, red on that. Olympia SM5 11366629. I think I took this exact thing from another YouTuber. He goes like this. So, thanks, Guy, for the inspiration. And I love your videos. Runs in smoothly. The platen is pretty hard. These are still rubbery a little bit. This one's kind of hard. But let's do it. I don't do the dog or anything like that. I'm just whatever. The lazy dog. Blah, blah, blah. I just type. Oh. Some of them a little sticky. I'll have to work on those. Guess I should check that. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I'll get these all loosened up before it goes out. So, they still work, but obviously they need a little love, which I can do. They were working fine last time I messed with it, so anyways, I'll get them unstuck. You can ask me in the comments if they're unstuck, which they should be. But yeah, type itself looks good. And caps lock. So yeah, definitely some sticky keys. So I guess I didn't realize that before making the video. I'll do it. I'll fix them. This will just be for the type look. Yeah, definitely some sticky keys, but I will fix those. They're pretty easy. All you do is mineral spirits and maybe a little gun oil if need be, but I'll get those taken care of. So, and then red setting does work too. Red. Looks like it wants to bunch up a little bit. For a second there, the red setting made it to where it stayed up, but now it's not doing it. But anyways, that's why I make these videos, to show you the ins and outs of these little guys. So yeah, overall, aside from some sticky keys, which I'll take care of, this thing has been in pretty good shape. It says Atlas Business Machine Company from Kansas. Hutchinson, Kansas, and I am in Kansas City, Missouri, so, or well, suburbs. So it didn't make it too far before it got into my hands. Anywho, give me a message or a shout out if you have any questions. But this is the awesome Olympia, and once again, I'll get the keys from sticking right now. Take care. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.